So the way Ron is speaking, the way Ron has put stuff into perspective, he's not really hiding behind the bush, guys. He's giving you everything that you need to know. Trust me, I would take advice with Ron as well.
Last week to go 5 for 5.
Last week I was 8 for 8.
Ron.btc, he hooked us up with all the price action knowledge, a really good, knowledgeable guy.
A down move and then I see a big up candle. Generally I'll do a 1-to-1 or I'll set it as a 1-to-1.
3 days after you set it, Bitcoin's done 3K.
That's why I read a lot of books from these iconic traders, Wyckoff, Jesse Livermore.
I don't like the price action follow through, then I'll get out of it. It looked to me like we were finding support, 20 EMA.
He's been able to take over 20 winning trades in the bear market.
And what causes this is institutions and big buys, and that's what's called the smart money concept. I sold all my Bitcoin at 68K. I bought the bottom recently at 15K. I sold all that when it was at about 24K. And then it was back to 20K. I bagged up again. And when at 15K, I deployed as much funds as I really had access to. Because I thought this was a bottom that we were seeing. At the end, we're going to talk about OMI a little bit as well. When I would have gotten out after this pattern. And you still see the markets going higher on falling volume. Every trade's not going to be 6 to 1. You're not going to hit every trade. So that's a red flag right there. And then after that, yeah, you see it just dump. Got closer to the price gets down low, I'm looking to buy. And I know that sounds obvious, and everyone says they do that, but all right, you see your first take profit low, about to break levels. Most people that I see on Twitter are talking about how they need to sell and you're stupid if you buy. If I feel the same about what the kind of sentiment on Twitter is, then that's almost a check that I know that I'm wrong. I'm not doing things right. What I'm really looking for is signs that price is going to turn around in this level.
Well, back at 20K when everyone was super bearish.
If anything, structurally, it looks more like a bear flag. But I wouldn't take this trade if I wasn't in this zone. I posted my OMI trading history, 60 straight days, no losses. Hit 1-to-1s, then lose 4-to-1.
Your work ethic is ridiculous.
Look at some of this market cycle stuff to why I'm saying some of the things that I'm saying. In 2017 all-time high, 2021, I mean, it's almost the same. Within a week of each other. I was a little bit skeptical, but the volume doesn't really match the candle. I really couldn't find a candle that size with that lower volume. And I did look at this time data. It's funny, it was almost exactly a year. I went on a streak one time, I hit 21 straight Bitcoin trades in a row to the day from the all-time high. And if you don't know the rules that we're playing by, it's hard enough if you do know the rules. If you don't even really have a chance. Is the Bitcoin history. I'm not basing it off a chart of Nintendo from the 1980s.
How much time do you spend watching the market?
A lot.
That his win rate is around 80 to 90%.